Do you want your English to sound more polite, confident, and natural? So, today in this video, I'll share some beautiful sentences that you can use in your daily life to sound more professional and confident.
Number one is, can you help me? Could you please help me? Correct. Number two, give me water. May I have some water, please? Correct. Number three, wait. Just a moment, please. Correct. Number four, I don't know. I'm not sure about it right now. Correct. Number five, I can't do this. I'll try my best. Correct. Number six, it's not my fault. I didn't intend to do that. Correct. Number seven, I'll do it later. I'll take care of it shortly. Correct. Number eight, tell me the details. Could you please share the details? Correct. Number nine, I'm busy now. I'm a little tied up at the moment. Correct. Number 10, you are wrong. I see your point, but I think differently. Correct.
So, beautiful English is not about difficult words, but actually, it's about polite tone plus correct sentence structure. If you found these sentences helpful, please like this video. And yes, comment and tell me which sentence you like the most. Subscribe for more polite and confident English sentences. Thank you.